Hi everyone, welcome to Folk Academy. So in this video we are going to learn how to install Pandas, Numpy or any library in Pycharm Ide. So first of all go to files. So on click the settings. So in the settings we have a project name is there. That is project Python project system. This is our project. Okay. Now click here and we select the Python interpreter. Then here whatever we install here that will display here. So these are the default packages already installed. Now I want to add another library, that is Numpy. Now click add button. Now I want Numpy library, so type Numpy and this is the Numpy library. Choose it and install the package. So here a package was installing. So based upon the internet speed it will take 10 less. Okay, so let's wait for a few minutes. So after installing, the Numpy will be displayed here. So still it was running. Yeah, Numpy is installed successfully. So it display here. Now I want Pandas. Again, plus button, click, and I want library Pandas. You can choose any library, whatever you want. Okay. Now select it and install the package. Wait for a few minutes. Now Pandas also installed successfully. Now you can check it here. So here Numpy is installed and Pandas is installed and sublib is also installed here. So and this is the process of installing any library in Pycharm Ide. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thank you.